Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change currency on imToken application. So let's get started right away since the process is quite easy. From your app drawer, launch open imToken application. Once you are logged into your wallet, go ahead and tap on My Profile at the bottom right menu. Tap on the Settings button from the My Profile tab and choose Currency option. By default, you will be able to see the USD option. Select one of the currency you'd like to change to from the list and tap on Save once done at the top right corner, and you will be able to change your currency on imToken wallet. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.